Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Who doesn't love a good Berenstain Bears book? My kids love to read and they love books. As a kid, I did not. So I really like to take advantage of that to make sure that they are strong readers and that they continue to love reading. This is a really great book. Not only does it bring back memories when I was a child looking at the Berenstain Bears, but it's also really well made, well put together, and super fun. I also love how many onomatopoeias it has in there. My son loves those sounds. They do so well with the bears and portraying the feelings that they have in their faces. The animation is really on point. We've also had this book for quite a while, and as you can see, it has held up really well, even though we use it a lot. So if you're teaching your child how to read, this is a very good beginner starter book. My son is in first grade and he likes to read books like this. So we first started him looking at the pictures. I would read to him. It was really awesome. Now he knows the words, he can pick out the words. So this is a very good beginner book. I would highly recommend this book, and that's my point of view.